VR chat. Let's get it, chat. VR chat right here, man. Let's get it. Let's get into this VR chat. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Come on, y'all. VR chat. W's in the chat. Let's go. Come on. Lock in. Yes. Come on. Go down. Go down. Go down. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! VR chat! Oh shit. We locking in. Uh-huh. 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 Yes, sir. We in here. Yes, sir. Oh. 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 Let's go. We in here. Yes, sir. Come back. Come back down. Oh, yeah. High score right here, chat. Oh. Let's go. Lock in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, chat. Ain't gonna lie, chat. Yo, real shit though, chat. This VR chat game fun as hell though, bro. Like real shit. Yo, chat, why this game so fun, chat? Ah! Fuck! Chat, let's play. Yo, chat, let's play one more VR chat game. Chat, one more VR chat game. One more VR chat game. Let's go, lock in. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Lock in, chat. VR chat on lockdown. Oh, let's go, let's go. Shit. History wise. Low key chat, Subway servers have to be one of the most easiest game. Like they comprehend, yo. Like chat, like even like yo chat, like even like a 8-year-old can be like, you feel me, play this game. Like I was like 9 years old being high scores, bro. You know what I'm saying, chat? You know what I'm saying, chat? Like I was very young. Like I used to have my Subway Surfers linked to my Facebook account. And I used to just, you know, beat people, be high scores and shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Lock in. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! Ah! Let's go. Wow, my fucking gun, bro. Ew, bro. I don't know why the fuck my grandma told me to download this stupid ass old ass game, bro.